As technology evolves and we see its impact, we cannot have innovation limited to the few. We must have inclusive innovation. So Telkom FutureMakers is really about investing and working alongside entrepreneurs in building their businesses such that they become the larger corporates of the future and the employment creators.
Enlight Technology focuses on Fiber Homes Connect. My journey started 7 years ago. I've been in Telkom at the time for 30 years. Technology is always growing and there's always something new. And I love being at the forefront of it. I started out as a normal technician, climbing the poles myself. In those years I was bright-eyed, bushy-tailed and just loved the outdoors, doing the installations. Many years later, I found myself in management with Telkom, and about 7 years ago, I was looking for something new, something different. I decided to take what was then known as the early retirement package or the voluntary severance package, and it was about at the same time when Telkom started with something which they call the IFT program, the Independent Field Technician program, and that's where I started Enlight Technologies.
So the Independent Field Technicians was born out of a restructuring from Telkom, and at the time Telkom also had a backlog of ADSL or copper faults, and so there was a good connection between providing income opportunities to these former employees while at the same time clearing out this fault backlog.
The IFT program, yes, definitely helped a great deal. A company starting out normally has nothing, but they've actually allowed us to obtain material free of charge. So that was a real boost to get us started.
Working with small businesses can actually create competitive advantage. It's not just about compliance, right? So we can just see it in how Telkom is able to continue to offer fiber to the home competitively through our IFT program. We've had to support them in different ways, provide things like business training, strategy, back office support, etc. But also we've had to think about how we support those businesses technically. So over the years, we've trained significantly those businesses into fiber skills to be really active in the fiber space and to grow their revenues.
Part of our team is also now focused on the network splicing, and we've also got a group that does floating of the fiber cables, which the Homes Connect guys at the end of the day pick up into the customer's house, set up the modem for them, so that when they leave there, they're leaving with a full internet service, a happy customer.
You always hear people in the area will say, there's the fiber people, and that encourages us. And you go to different places, you see different environments, you see different people, and it's a challenging industry, but as you know it becomes like you're just falling in love with this thing.
Lorenzo is our site manager. Him and I normally have our pre-project meeting, and we discuss our plans and the deadline.
But this block is fully
Okay,
done.
so that makes us finish by Thursday.
Correct.
Beautiful.
This is a really wonderful team. We like a family. And if there's a new person on board, we always let them feel welcome, because that is also where you started.
I started with my 4 technicians. From there, the company just grew with the help of Telkom and the IFT program. At this stage, I've got 16